If you have mild acne and want to know what to do about it, in this video, I'm going to be sharing the step-by-step process I use with my clients, including what products to use and how to use them to get real results with your skin. There are some simple things you need to know that will make all the difference between getting results and continuing to struggle with your skin. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to click the subscribe button and bell to be notified every time I post a new video about acne and how you can get results as quickly and easily as possible. I've used these methods to help thousands of people clear their skin, including myself, and I'm excited to help you get results with your skin. Let's dive in. After helping people with their acne for years, I've learned there are 3 important things you need to do to get the best results with your skin. 1. The products you use matter. 2. How you use those products matter. And 3. You have to remove your acne triggers, or even the best acne products won't work. I'm going to show you how to do all 3. Before we get into my step-by-step process, I want to talk about the difference between mild and serious acne. Mild acne is 5 pimples or less. It can also be clogged pores or little bumps in your skin. Nothing that causes you a lot of anxiety, but annoying enough that you want it to go away. Serious acne is persistent and stubborn. It can be inflamed or not, seems resistant to treatment, and causes you a lot of worry and anxiety. This video will help if you have mild acne. Serious acne should be treated with professional guidance and usually needs a customized and targeted approach. I highly recommend my virtual acne program, Clear Academy, if you have a serious case of acne. The link for more information is below this video. So, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to treat mild acne are the right products. They should be both non-clogging and hydrating enough to keep your skin barrier balanced. When harsh products strip your lipid barrier, your skin is in a state of chaos and can't heal. Versus when you keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, you can use the active products necessary to effectively knock out acne. I wish it was as easy as giving you a list of over-the-counter products that you could purchase. But in my experience, this doesn't work for a couple of reasons. First, it's very hard to find products that are truly non-clogging, which is the most important thing to getting your acne under control. Second, most products aren't strong enough, which is really important in preventing acne from adapting and taking over your skin again. This is why products you've used before might have worked for a little while, but then stopped working. Your acne adapted to them. Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever used products that worked for a little while and then stopped? What products were they and how long did they work for? I would love to hear about it in the comments below. The products I do recommend are the Clearology brand, a product line that I developed. They're non-clogging, ultra hydrating, and also non-toxic. Now, let's talk about how to treat your acne. The first thing you'll need to do is set all of your current products aside, since, you guessed it, the number 1 cause of acne is your products. If you want more details about that, check out this video. Next, you'll need to make sure you remove your acne triggers. If, for example, you're drinking energy drinks or taking the wrong supplements, even the best acne products won't work. You can easily find out what your acne triggers are by downloading my free guide below this video. Or if you prefer to have me do it, sign up for my acne interview. Once you've made those simple adjustments, let's go over exactly how to use your products to get the best results. So the products you'll need are a cleanser, a toner, an exfoliating serum, a moisturizer, a low-dose benzoyl peroxide, as long as you're not allergic to benzoyl peroxide, and a sunscreen. This routine will take you less than 5 minutes 2 times a day. And here's the big secret to getting the best results. Think of your treatment plan in 2-week phases. Every 2 weeks, you'll be making a small adjustment to a couple of your products. This prevents acne from adapting, and it's really simple to do. For example, during the first 2 weeks, this is what you'll do in the morning. Cleanse, tone, apply your exfoliating serum every other morning, moisturize, and apply your SPF. At night, you'll cleanse, tone, apply your benzoyl peroxide every other night, and then moisturize. During the next 2 weeks, you'll follow the same routine, except you'll start to use your exfoliating serum and your benzoyl peroxide every day, instead of every other day. This simple change doubles the strength of those 2 products right when acne is about to adapt, which happens about every 2 weeks. You'll continue this routine until week 8, when you can then start using a stronger exfoliating serum and a stronger benzoyl peroxide, doubling the strength again. At these higher strengths, acne can no longer build a resistance, and you can usually maintain your results without any other increases. I have all of these step-by-step details in my free guide for you below this video, and it's very easy to follow along with. Along with this treatment plan, you'll get a copy of my acne-safe list, so you can choose acne-safe makeup and hair care to go along with your new products. A few things to keep in mind with this guide. First, plan on about 4 to 6 months before your skin is fully clear. It takes about that long for the acne in the lower layers of your skin to get to the surface, and it doesn't mean your products aren't working. However, most people notice an improvement in their skin in just a couple of weeks. If you want faster results, my virtual acne program, Clear Academy, is designed to get results in 3 months with custom recommendations and stronger products. Second, be sure to continue to reduce your acne triggers, which are detailed in my guide. There's an easy to follow list of reminders for you. And finally, be sure not to use any other products on your skin. This is super important. Pore clogging ingredients are no joke, and even one application can delay your results. If you're still having issues with your skin in 6 months, consider signing up for an acne interview so I can make sure you haven't overlooked something important. So there you have it. You now have everything you need to effectively treat mild acne at home. If you follow the steps in my guide and have a little patience, it will make all the difference in your skin. I would absolutely love to hear about your results. Do you think something in your diet could be causing your breakouts? If so, be sure to watch this video where I'm going to tell you the 8 surprising foods and ingredients that actually do cause acne. And I promise they're not what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.